Hi everybody, welcome to Vanessa's van life journey. I have a quick question. I am camped out on some BLM land. I just got here, I would say about 2-ish, and it's going on 4-ish. And I drove to this spot and the BLM land is vast, you guys. It is vast. There's so many parking places on the BLM land, so many places to park. And so when I drive on BLM land, of course, you're passing vehicles that are parked over here and over there. And I never just go up on someone like in their parking space where they're at. It's so much land all the way around that you could just drive a few kilometers, a few paces, a few blocks, and get your own spot. So it's never that serious where you have to drive up on or drive in someone's campsite and park where they're parked at. And I came over here and parked over here. Nobody was over here, and parked by myself. Big old yellow van by itself. And I'm at a loss for words. And a RV just came and parked right next to me. I'm talking about they like right on me. I could look out my window. They didn't even go like farther ahead, because they could actually drive farther ahead and go. They parked right on me, y'all. I got a problem with that. And because I never ever do that to anybody, and I just want to know, is there a such thing as van life etiquette on BLM land? I always thought it was. I always thought that if you seen someone park somewhere, unless you know that person or you go and introduce yourself to that person or you have a question, I just always thought that it was impolite to go into that person's campsite and park right up on them. So that's my question today. I want to know, to y'all nomads out there who camp on BLM land, is there an etiquette? And if so, what is the etiquette? Type it in the comments bar below. Like, do you have an expectation as a nomad that if you go on BLM land and you find a wide open space and you set up your camp by yourself, do you have an expectation to stay by yourself? Do you have an expectation that you know that somebody may come camp like off in the distance, but not right up on you? Y'all let me know in the comments, because I never ever thought that it was okay to go camping right up on other people, like a block away or something like that. But I'm going to show y'all what I'm talking about. And usually when you see multiple vehicles in one campground, that's because those people know each other or they came together. Like if, for instance, me and Miss Charlene and Miss Pauline, we went camping together, we're all going to camp at the same campsite in the same vicinity. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about you being in a campsite by yourself, alone, and somebody rolls up and pulls up and parks right up on you. Hold on, I'm about to show y'all what I'm talking about in a minute, but because of what I'm talking about, I am about to move. I already had everything set up. Took all my stuff out of the sink. Put everything on the cabinet. But now, because somebody came and parked right up on me, I have to move. And I don't have to move, you guys, but I prefer to move because I actually wanted to be by myself, and I like to be by myself on BLM land because don't expect, I'm not camped out around anybody else, so I don't expect to hear noises. I don't expect to hear doors slam or anything like that. When you're in a campsite, that's a different thing because campsites might be close to each other, but on BLM land, you guys never have to get close to each other. So, and another thing, I like to park my back door a certain way where I could sleep with my back door open, and I don't have to worry about in the middle of the night when I get up to use the bathroom with somebody looking in my van and seeing my booty. This person just came and parked right behind me, y'all. I just think, in my opinion, I just think that is not in line with van life etiquette. But I want y'all to chime in the comments bar below. If you were a single female parked on BLM land and you parked in the area by yourself, would you feel comfortable with somebody coming to park right up on you or right next to you? I'm not scared. Let's make that clear. I'm not scared, but I park a certain way for my own safety, protection, and peace of mind. Like, it's hot. It's in the desert. I want to sleep with my doors open. I want to be able to get up in the middle of the night and use the bathroom without having to go outside and close my doors. So that's why I park with my back to a certain direction. And that's why I expect to be by myself, because I can get up and just, you just want to camp how you want to camp and be. So I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to stop talking and show y'all how close they are to me. So outside my back door, this is how close they are to me, but I could see them. They can actually see inside of my van. They probably see me recording them right now. And look how close they came up on me. So, and then I'm going to show y'all how much BLM land, because now I'm about to move because of this. I'm about to move. It's still daylight, and it's still, oops, I almost broke my neck tripping over this card and this phone. Okay, I had these pillows right here and I was trying to cross over them. Okay, let me show y'all BLM land all the way around. This is the road right here. And those are cars over there across the street. 2 cars over there parked next to each other. People way over there, way over there, way over there, way over there. Here on this little, it's like a little hillside. And the freeway is right there. And you can actually look off the freeway. Here's the road that I'm about to get back on. And there's my van, and right there is where they came and parked at. Now, they could have continued to drive down that road and went found a spot on their own, or they could have continued to go down this road that I'm about to go down, that road right there, and found a spot on their own. But no, they came parked right by me. And y'all just let me know. Y'all just let me know in van life if there is a such thing as van life etiquette camping on BLM land. What do you do? Like, do you respect people that's camped out by themselves? Do you respect them and go find your own campsite? Or do you go camp right up on them? Let me know what you do. And if somebody came to camp or close up on you like this, would you move or would you stay there? Would you move or would you stay there? So at nighttime, if you do want to move and you feel uncomfortable, I'm just going to tell you in this situation, if you do want to move and you feel uncomfortable, Go ahead and move while it's still daylight. And go find you. Because your peace of mind is worth everything. Your peace of mind. I'm trying to put this thing. Your peace of mind is worth everything. I'm just going to show y'all driving down this road how many places it is to park. They did not have to come park by me and close to me. They could have went farther down the road. Oh, I liked my little spot on top of the hill. I guess they wanted it too. And that's so disrespectful. Like, maybe they knew I was gonna move. And that is so disrespectful to just come and invade someone else's campground. And you can see, I'm gonna take y'all down the road. And show y'all how much room and space. See that person over there on that hill? That's how I am on that hill. What I look like going park next to them people? What do I look like going park next to those people? You don't do that. I don't know. I just don't think that's something that you do. So, anywho, look at these people. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at these people right here. Two people, two vans parked next to each other. They know each other. What I look like going over there and parking with them people? What do I look like just going over there and parking with them people? When I can just go down this road. See, I could park right there. I could just go down this road. Go down this road and find a space of my own. And that's pretty over there, y'all. Look at how they're parked right there. What do I look like going over there and parking with them people? That just ain't right. So I was off to myself. And I don't know, is this let me see, can I make it up here, right here? I don't know what this looks like up here. Let me go right here. See, all they had to do was come farther down the road and find their own spot. I don't know how this looks up here. But yeah, I got my own spot again until somebody else decides to come in and invade my privacy. Let me see. Do I want to stay here? And let me see how many bars I'm getting. And they probably laughing. I made her move, but I just think that's so rude and disrespectful, y'all. So y'all leave in the comments bar below and let me know what you think. I'm gonna put my back towards that way so that I can sleep with my door open. I can sleep with my door open, and I'm not level. I definitely could feel that I'm not level. Ooh, I'm going down here. I'm definitely not level, but we're gonna stay here for tonight. So, anywho, that was my van life nomad drama. Let me know if y'all would have moved, or if y'all would have stayed there, or another option I didn't talk about, which I'll have asked them to move. But y'all have went and knocked on their door and said, excuse me, but I was parked over here by myself because I got the COVID. And I wanted to be by myself. Would y'all have asked them to move? Or would y'all have moved? Tell me what you would have did and be honest. And you know what? Let me know in the comments below. Vanessa, you're overreacting. I know there's going to be somebody talking about, girl, you overreacting. That's BLM land. People can park wherever they want to park. That is so true. People can park wherever they want to park it. But this is my thing. As long as there is enough room for you to park by yourself and have your own space, I feel like you should go find it. As long as there's enough room, you should go find your own space. And that's just point blank, period. And the way that I am parked, if somebody else come up over here, I'm moving. That's just the end of the story. Because why would somebody come drive up on you and drive in the area where you are? And we are all nomads. And you don't want nobody not feeling safe or feeling like you are a predator or a stalker, child. And if you know what, if that is a subscriber and they know me, like if you're a subscriber and you know me and you see me out somewhere, I don't mind you coming and saying, hey, Vanessa, how you doing? I seen your vehicle. I thought that was you. I was just coming to speak. I don't mind that. I don't mind if somebody seen my van out somewhere and they came and they spoke. And then they went on about their business. They came and they spoke, we chatted, and they went on about their business and say, oh, I was going down the road and I'm going to get me a camping spot. That would be up to me to say, girl, why don't you come and camp with me and sit out and chill? That would be up to me to offer that. But other than that, if the person don't offer, and if you've seen them, it's okay to stop and speak if they say it's okay to stop and speak. But if they didn't say it's okay to stop and speak, then just assume that they want their privacy and give it to them. Because we all deserve our privacy, even on BLM land. We all deserve our privacy. I think where I'm at is more on a slope. And I think over here is a little higher up. But I might stay where I'm at, but I'm going to take a picture of my van. Anyway, y'all, that was just my little thoughts. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.